how to fix black horizontal lines appearing on your Android screen. This tutorial shows you how to troubleshoot and resolve screen line issues on your Android device. First, restart your Android device as a simple reboot can often clear temporary display glitches causing the lines to appear. After that, if the lines are still there, press and hold the power button and tap Restart to do a fresh reboot. From there, open the Settings app and tap on Software Update to check if there's a pending update available. At this point, if an update is available, tap Download and Install as display bugs are often fixed in software updates. In the next step, if the lines persist, go to Settings, tap on Display, and check if any screen mode or refresh rate settings are causing the issue. Following this, try switching your screen mode or adjusting the refresh rate to see if the lines disappear. Once done, if nothing works, open Settings, tap on General Management, and tap on Reset. Then select Reset All Settings to reset your display settings back to default. Finally, if the lines are still showing after all these steps, the issue is likely hardware related and you should take your device to the nearest service center for a screen inspection. And that's it! If this Android guide helped you fix the lines on your screen, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one!